Drive so quickly here. Including the balcony skies. Come here is just to come and check the most beautiful structure. I think this is what I'm saying right now. That is the main purpose. That's a big deal. I just saw the thing there. Actually a good way to tour the city. If you wanna explore Hong Kong properly, you need to try the thing with the walls. Sorry. Just cross through this area. I'm actually coming live from Hong Kong, from this place. I don't know the name, but it's more like a suburb area, and actually searching for the monster building. So I think I need to ask someone. So I'm a little bit lost here. I can't find the monster building, and I need to keep searching for it until I find it. I just passed through a little market. Kandan is this community suburb, and yeah, let's go and search for the building. like painting, but now I feel a little bit relieved because I'm gonna try to find something to drink. Oh, I feel so cool. This is my favorite shopping area. I usually buy much of my stuff from here, like when I'm in Hong Kong. Favorite part, I can buy like different kinds of biscuits and snacks from here, from all over the world. And this are like one package, you buy it free and then you get another one. So actually my favorite biscuits. I usually buy it from Hong Kong, from this shop. Sometimes I take it from my family to go and try it from this device. Hey guys, so I found the monster building, and this is the famous monster building here, and it's got all sides like this. So beautiful. Such a beautiful piece of art, and you've got people from different places coming to take pictures. Hey guys, so today I visited the monster building. That's how it looks like. From this angle, you can see this all traditional Hong Kong buildings. The place is so massive, with so many tourists taking pictures of the old buildings. This is so massive. It's usually filled up with different tourists from different places who often come here just to take some pictures. And they've got some kind of a local market like on the ground floor here, but like you can eat something. You can also do some ordering of different kinds of things you want to buy. Like it's such a cute place with a breathtaking, and it's so nice. First floor, we've got the place for eating, watching, shopping, all kinds of traditional stuff you're looking for. You can find them here. And on the other side, they also have different things. Let's try to check out the goods on the other side. So on the other side, on the first floor of the monster building, they have some kind of hair salon. Like this one is like for the hair, and some other shops there, maybe the verticals. Tony, I don't know what Tony offers. Like for the haircut, and then Tony's also for the haircut. Like this place is so famous and it's so beautiful, and people just come here to chill out the building, take pictures, so nice. Take pictures, have fun. Like those guys, they're also tourists. And then if you go to the far end that side, they have some kind of coffee shop. I think that coffee shop is pretty popular, like the way you can see. And at the coffee shop, you can try to chill, relax, get yourself some kind of local coffee from any of these shops over there. And then if you try to walk outside, on the outside area here, it's where you're gonna find like the famous monster building. It's more like in a square form, so it's all of some older construction. And if you go this side, it's more like a new modern building, but not so new. And yeah, that's what you can find here. If you find yourself here, remember to enjoy yourself and enjoy your stay. Remember to take some pictures of yourself around this area. If you come down from here, there is this place which they call the corridor market. Like it's like they sell some kind of cooked foods and other stuff. And yeah, it's quite a cute place with anything you're looking for. I think there's also another part for taking the pictures, which is this one. Let me try to check on it. It's just more like a place where people come for chilling and taking photos. Everybody who comes here, they just come to take pictures and enjoy their kind of leisure time. Yeah. So here it seems a little bit quiet, and yeah, still like some people come here to take pictures, just enjoying themselves. It's quite a beautiful place and a beautiful area. I just finished touring the Monster Building, and now I'm trying to make a plan for the next thing to do. I think I'm gonna be heading to the beach now. I need to go and swim, even though it seems to be like if it's gonna be a rainy day. I don't know, but let's go and see like what's gonna be coming up. So now I need to rush to go to the subway station and then go back to the next destination. I guess I need to find a nearby beach, like which has got some kind of transport available, like all the way up to evening or late night, because I heard that most of the places the transportation actually stops early, so I need to figure out a good way to go back. Without inconveniencing myself. It's so hot, I'm pretty sweating, but today the weather seems to be a little bit favorable compared to the past few days. Yeah. So I need to go to MTR and then try to get information on how to go to the... I need to go to MTR, get information on how to go to the beach. Like the beach which is favorable, because I'm having 3 options, but I need to pick up the best beach option. That is my plan for now. So this is how to leave. Oh, OMG, I don't wanna climb. I don't wanna climb that shit. Just wanna walk through the area. So guys, this is how the infrastructure looks like. It's so cool. Take a video. Everything is coming from the side. You guys can actually see it. It looks so cute. It's one of the most interesting kind of transportation. Like there is one. And I think on the other side there must be another one like this side. So some of the most famous kind of like here. It's a balcony. And yeah, they just passed. One is going to the left, the other one is going to the right. That's a dim sum. Streets seem to be so busy, and there is a bus station on the left side and on the right side, and people can catch on the buses from here to go to different destinations. Though I don't plan to use the bus, I need to go into the NTR because it's more like quicker and faster to head to different this is like where I'm gonna be heading to. So yeah, that's the thing. And the dim looks so beautiful. So this is the plan, and this is it. Just have to follow the road, then get myself to the destination. Yeah, like I was saying, like I'm just gonna try to head to the subway station and try to catch on one of the trains which are going to the beach. That's the plan for now. And the plan is just to go and relax myself and chill. Even though I'm not so sure about whether it's gonna be raining or no rains. I didn't carry myself an umbrella, but we'll see. It's so shocking that it was actually raining because when I was coming, it wasn't even this rainy, it wasn't this watery, but I just found some water over here and it's like it's been raining. Some kind of very, very cute, beautiful place. Beautiful streets. Then I just need to help myself by getting to the subway. So today I'm on the streets of Hong Kong and I'm actually going out in search of some kind of famous places. I think it must be the old infrastructure building like in Hong Kong. So I've just gone in search of the building which is called Monster Building. Like some people recommended me to check on it. Yeah, I'm so black. Why am I so black? I don't know. Some people actually recommended it to me and I thought of going to search for it. So this is more like a manhunt in search of the Monster Building. And today I'm not putting on shorts, but I'm putting on the vest as usual. It's like I'm rocking in the vest now.